What should we make for dinner? What about chicken? Does chicken sound good? Yeah? We should make some chicken? No. Do you want steak? Should we make steak? What about pasta? Want some pasta? I could do spaghetti. How does spaghetti sound? Do you want spaghetti? Pizza? What about a burger? Hey? Hey, boo-boo. Do you want burger? Should we just say fuck it and have cookies? Should we just have cookies? No? Oh, yes. Okay. So for dinner, no. What about lunch? Do you want to talk about lunch? Should we have cookies for lunch? No. Chicken for lunch? No. Steak for lunch? Should we have steak for lunch? What about yogurt? Do you want to have yogurt for lunch? Cake. Should we have cake? Okay. I like the way you think.